Most people think that having $1 million saved for retirement means you have officially made it. It is the ultimate benchmark, the magic number that supposedly guarantees you will be secure, comfortable, and totally free to stop working on your own terms. You might assume that because asset prices keep rising, the stock market keeps climbing, and incomes generally go up, that everyone is slowly inching their way toward a seven-figure retirement. But the reality is very, very different. The truth is that the people who retire with that much money are incredibly few and far between. Today, we are going to break down exactly how rare this milestone actually is, expose the invisible traps that keep the average person broke, and show you exactly what it takes to break away from the crowd and build a retirement fortress. Section 1. The shocking reality of the 3%. Let us start by clarifying what we actually mean when we talk about retiring with $1 million. We are strictly talking about liquid retirement accounts like a 401k, an individual retirement account, or a Roth account. We are completely excluding the value of your house, your car, your business, or your collectibles. Why? Because those assets cannot reliably fund your daily grocery bills or medical expenses unless you sell them. When we look strictly at these accessible retirement accounts, the numbers are staggering. Only about 3.2% of retired households in the United States have $1 million or more saved. In some Federal Reserve datasets, that number is even lower, showing that only 2.6% of Americans hit that mark specifically for retirement. That means out of every 100 people you pass on the street, only 2 or 3 have actually secured a seven-figure retirement. Section 2. The brutal median averages. If only 3% of people reach $1 million, what does everyone else have? The median retirement savings for all households across all age groups is just $87,000. That means exactly half of all households in the country have less than that amount set aside for their future. Even when you look at people in their late 50s and early 60s, people who are physically standing on the doorstep of retirement, the median balance only reaches about $185,000. For Americans aged 65 to 74, the median savings sits at $200,000. And here's the digit that should genuinely terrify you. 27% of Americans have absolutely $0 saved for retirement. If you apply the standard 4% withdrawal guideline to a $200,000 portfolio, it only generates $8,000 a year, which is roughly $667 a month. That leaves zero margin for error in a modern economy. Section 3. The structural trap. How did the wealthiest nation in human history end up in a situation where the vast majority of workers cannot afford to retire? The answer is largely structural. In 1980, approximately 38% of private sector workers had a traditional pension plan. Their employer managed the fund, took all the investment risk, and guaranteed them a specific monthly payment for life. By 2026, less than 15% of workers have access to a pension. The system was almost entirely replaced by the 401k, which shifted all of the risk and responsibility directly onto the individual worker. We turned retirement security into a do-it-yourself project for people who have absolutely no formal training in finance or investing. At the exact same time, the cost of housing, healthcare, and higher education absolutely exploded, while wages adjusted for inflation remained mostly flat. When rent takes 40% of an income, saving the recommended 15% for retirement shifts from a choice to a complete fantasy for millions of people. Section 4. The net worth mirage. House poor retirees. There is a massive, highly deceptive difference between being a net worth millionaire and being a retirement-ready millionaire. Roughly 7% of people in the United States are millionaires when you count absolutely everything they own. But the Federal Reserve data shows that most of that wealth is entirely locked up inside their primary residence. Owning a paid-off home is a wonderful asset that provides immense stability, but it is not liquid. You cannot pay your utility bills or buy your groceries with your living room drywall. To extract that wealth, you either have to take on a reverse mortgage, borrow against it, or sell the property completely. Furthermore, real estate appreciates at a much slower rate than the stock market. A $1 million investment portfolio tracking the standard market can easily double in about 7 years, while a house typically only grows by about 4% per year. True retirement freedom comes from owning flexible, cash-producing investments, not just equity. Section 5. The enemy of wealth, lifestyle inflation. Another massive reason why $1 million stays out of reach is that people spend their money trying to look successful today, rather than actually being successful tomorrow. We live in a culture that relentlessly rewards visible success. People fall into the trap of financing brand new cars with massive monthly payments, buying designer clothing, and taking luxury vacations just to match the highlight reels they see on social media. Every single raise or bonus that goes toward a lifestyle upgrade pushes real, invisible wealth further out of reach. The people who look the wealthiest on the outside are very often the most financially fragile on the inside. Hitting the 7-figure mark requires a unique personality. You have to learn to delay gratification, ignore intense social pressure to keep up with your neighbors, and quietly define success for yourself, even when your friends are spending freely. Section 6. The invisible force of compounding. When you are just starting out, and your net worth is $5,000 or $20,000, the gap between where you are and $1 million looks so incredibly wide that it barely feels worth the effort. Saving $500 a month feels like it will never bridge that massive distance. In those early years, your contributions do all the heavy lifting, and progress feels painfully slow. A $50,000 portfolio growing at a fantastic 10% rate only adds $5,000 in an average year. This is the stage where almost everyone quits. But people fail to realize that compounding hides in the beginning and explodes at the end. A $500,000 portfolio at that exact same 10% rate quietly adds $50,000 to your net worth without you lifting a single finger. That is more than many people make working a full-time job. $1 million is not insurmountable. It is simply what happens when your patience outlasts your doubt. Section 7. What $1 million actually buys. So, what kind of life does this ultra-rare milestone actually provide? Using the 4% withdrawal guideline, a $1 million portfolio generates about $40,000 per year before taxes. On its own, that might not seem like luxury. But when you add in average Social Security benefits, which sit around $24,000 per person annually, a retired couple could easily reach an income of $88,000 per year. According to the data, the typical retired household only spends about $60,000 a year. That means $1 million plus Social Security does not just cover the basics. It provides a highly comfortable safety net. It means having absolute control over your life and the peace of mind, knowing that a car repair, a medical bill, or a sudden home maintenance issue will never derail your plans. It is not about living extravagantly. It is about buying your ultimate freedom. The harsh reality is that $1 million is far more than just a number on a screen. It is the sum of hundreds of smart, calculated choices, disciplined habits, and small sacrifices that compound over several decades. That is exactly why only 3 out of 100 people actually have that money saved by the time they reach retirement. You have a choice to make today. You can follow the crowd, spend your paycheck to look successful, and arrive at retirement hoping for a miracle. Or you can start investing aggressively right now and join the 3%. If this video changed how you look at your future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and share it with someone who needs a financial wake-up call. See you in the next one.